Okay. Hey guys, it's Wendy. Welcome back to my channel. So there's been a lot going on in the world right now. I'm sure you guys all know what I'm referring to. It is March. You can figure out what I am talking about. I don't want to name the thing I'm referring to because I don't want this video to get demonetized. So I'm 23 years old and I currently work in tech in San Francisco. So if you're unaware, S7, the Bay Area, has had the strictest rules about not going outside in the US so far. My company had already told me to work from home a week before that announcement was made, so I've already been working from home basically for 2 weeks. It's definitely been a big learning curve. Just to break down the tech environment for you, tech has a very young, close-knit, collaborative environment. So you'll constantly see people jumping around from desk to desk, asking people questions. I'm super close with my coworkers. We'll eat lunch every day together. There are always like happy hours going on, stuff like that. I think the past couple of weeks, a lot of people have been struggling to handle that loneliness and that feeling of isolation and just to figure out how to be productive in a new environment. So that being said, I wanted to show you guys what my work from home routine has been looking like. I'm really just trying to take this entire thing in stride and view this time as time to basically completely create a new routine. Obviously, I want to acknowledge that it's a super difficult time for many people involved, everyone involved, and I'm super lucky to be in the place I am where I can work from home and still make money. A lot of people out there aren't as lucky, and I just feel really grateful and so thankful that those people are still out there and pushing hard and doing their jobs. And you know, I just really hope that everybody is able to get through this and come out on the other side. It's just a very difficult time right now. Okay, with that, it's around 9 a.m. and I'm going to start my work day. So as you saw, just a quick recap of my day so far. I went on a morning run / walk. I've been trying to do that a lot more often while I'm working at home because I just like starting out my day being outside, and I've been listening to a lot of podcasts. I love podcasts. I'm really into NPR's How I Built This. It's just very inspiring if you are into business related things. Also, NPR's Up First. It's just 15 minutes a day. They basically recap all of the most important news stories of that day. There's also a new podcast from the LA Times called Asian Enough. It talks about Asian American issues and something I'm very passionate about. I ate breakfast, so I've been eating a lot of just those English muffins with an egg on top, and I showered and had my morning coffee. Morning coffee is like such a sacred part of my routine, no matter where I'm at. So I made sure to pick up a lot of cold brew that I can drink during this time because we don't have a coffee maker. My workspace I've designated is a desk that I recently just purchased in my room. So that's basically where I just sit all day, 8 hours to work. I think it's really important to have a designated space. It just makes you a lot more productive and it just makes the work-life balance line a lot more clear. I did get ready this morning. As you can see, I got dressed, did my makeup. Always find that helps me to be more productive. I also have a bunch of meetings today, so that's another reason why I got dressed. All right, so now I'm gonna start my day and work till lunch. Alright guys, so it's around 12 and that means lunchtime. I'm gonna go cook. I think I'm gonna make a quesadilla. I think that's kind of what I'm craving right now. Sounds pretty good. So I just finished eating lunch. I'm snacking on a cutie. I will basically just be working until around 5:30. I had a 30-45 minute lunch. I was just like watching YouTube videos, catching up on Better Call Saul, which is the show that I'm watching right now during this time. All right guys, so it's almost 3 o'clock and I am starting to hit that midday slump. I feel like most people hit a slump this time after lunch. So my roommates and I are actually gonna order boba to try to motivate us and wake us up, I guess. We are gonna be ordering from DoorDash from the boba shop. I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, so I've Dash Pass for free, which means I get free delivery over $12 and also reduced fees. It's good to be able to order from local businesses to help support if you obviously can afford to do so. I am just gonna go with the classic black milk tea. And this is what we are working with right now. Okay, the boba just came. Excited to try it. Ooh, this is really good. Boba shop on 2071 3rd Street. Really good black milk tea. Hello, so it is around almost 6 and I am done for work for the day. I'm going to go and make some dinner now. I also just changed into a outfit for the rest of the night to be comfy and cozy. I think I'm going to try the kale gnocchi that I got from Trader Joe's. I love all the gnocchis, the frozen gnocchis that Trader Joe's has, and this is a new one that they released. I think I'm gonna add some pesto to that and then make some garlic sauteed green beans. I've been trying to cook more during this time, cook more complicated meals. Today I'm feeling a bit tired, so I'm just gonna do something kind of simple. And I'm just gonna FaceTime my friend while I cook. I've definitely been FaceTiming so much more because I still want to maintain human social interaction. It's been really nice because I've caught up with a lot of people that I haven't talked to or seen quite a bit. And so that's something that's good that's come out this time. I think it's just reminded a lot of people of friends that they've lost touch with that they want to catch up with. Hey all, so I'm back in my room now. It is around 7:30. I just finished eating dinner and now basically for the rest of the night I kind of just leave it pretty open, but I like to focus on my creative stuff around this time. So editing videos, writing blog posts, trying to brainstorm business ideas and stuff like that. And then I also like to read if I can, as well as journal. I've been trying to journal a lot more. I find it actually very relaxing. I just don't ever have time to do it. I have this bullet journal that actually my roommate got for me, and there's just like doodles, notes in there of stuff that I'm studying and just learning for fun, like personal finance stuff. So I'll be here for the rest of the night and I'll check back in with you guys later. Almost 10 p.m. I'm gonna go wash my face, get ready for bed, and start reading this Freakonomics book. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about this book. It is a New York Times bestseller. I've been reading a lot of nonfiction books recently, and I've been particularly interested in reading more books about the economy. Around 11:45, which means it is time for bed. I hope you enjoyed seeing what my work from home routine has been looking like. Hope you are well and staying safe out there. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.